Welcome everyone. Got two sort of obscure Masters of the Universe figures today. It's Stonedar and Rokkon. I don't even think they, from what I've been reading, they appeared in the She-Ra show because they were developed so late. Stonedar is the leader of the rock people, I guess denoted by the gold and stuff. This is his adopted son, Rokkon. They, I think they were sort of the attempt by He-Man to get into the transforming thing, because they turned into, well, in theory, they sort of turned into rocks. I think they're supposed to technically be comets. They're supposed to be able to fly through the universe and explore and settle and all that good stuff. But that's, you know, they basically they just rolled up and hid their sort of armadillo transformation. You know, they're old, so they're not as secure as they were when they were new, but they were. Yeah, I was all about anything that transformed back then, so it's I was into I thought that was cool. There's some backstory to it where I think their planet was attacked by the Horde, and up to that point they'd been pacifists, but they vowed, once they were attacked, they vowed to fight evil throughout the universe. Sort of, metallic paint there, that's pretty different. These are, I'm sure they didn't get much use because they weren't very posable, but not the greatest paint job here on the arm. You can tell they had some pretty significant overspray. The legs look pretty good. So does the body and the head. Just on the back of the arm, they were a little bit sloppy. I don't know how did it go over here, but this one they did good. This one looks. That one looks okay. There's no the overspray. Maybe it was just the orange paint bled through or something, but a little bit down there on the leg. It's not perfect. It's like for an 80s toy, I'd say it's pretty good. Yeah, I'd seen this in my box of weaponry, and I had to do the image search to find out that it was part of their weaponry. That's about all I got to say about them. They were, they came late in the game, so they didn't really. I don't think they really made any appearances in the actual He-Man show. Is all She-Ra. But otherwise, hope you're going to enjoy Masters of the Universe week. The rest of the week is a little more name brand OG characters, so I think they'll be more interesting. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep going for at least a little bit yet. Quite a while, to be honest. But I'm having fun with it. I hope you are too. Bye.